Happy to be in the Falls today, checking out a unique and one-of-a-kind business. All of these plaques and the tables that you're going to see today are made completely out of concrete, right? Like, how cool is that? Yeah, specifically like that one that they made for us here at Tattooed Concrete with Mark. How you doing, Mark?
I'm good. How are you, Tim?
Nice to meet you. So
nice
how unique is this business?
The actual tattooed concrete is it's one of a kind. We're the only ones basically in the world that are doing it, so it's pretty unique.
So you come from the concrete side of the business?
Yes.
Been working in concrete for
probably, 30 years.
What is it about concrete, because we're showing off some of the furniture here too that's also part of the business. What is it about concrete that makes for good furniture? But also that you can tattoo something right on top of it.
Yeah, so it's the longevity of it is one of the biggest keys. You're gonna put your imaging on it, and it's basically there forever. So that's one of the big keys.
So look at these tables that Luke is shooting right now. Like the detail on some of these. Let me move this around. So that's not even that heavy.
No, it's not that heavy. No, it's.
I think concrete. I think really heavy.
Yeah. Most people do, but it's a lightweight concrete. It's a really strong mixed design, so we're able to pour it less than the what it normally would have to be to have its strength.
So this is a concrete slab that then this image was literally tattooed on top of it.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, basically.
You have one here. This is from a local spot in St. Catharines?
Yes, that's, it says it right on it, the Lucky Penny.
The Lucky Penny. Shout out to the Lucky Penny. But this one's a little bit older, right? You made this a couple of years ago?
We did. We made it 2 years ago, and we actually went to the owner and asked him if we could borrow it because we knew we were doing the TV show, just to show
like the
wear and tear and the durability of it. It's basically taking a beating, glasses, broken bottles, everything else. So it's strong stuff.
The table's on one side of the business. How much is the plaque side?
The plaque side's big too. It's you can do especially the address plaques. Home builders, it's a huge thing for them. They can like the one that we're looking at right now. You can do a theme for builders, if they're building by the water or something like that. So
or individualized, you could put whatever you want to be beside it, right? Like,
you can.
Mal and Jenny, is that them there?
Yeah, that's a memorial. Sorry, that's looks like I didn't even see that one. Let's see. Yeah, that's yeah.
So all you have to do is you send the image to you guys, like how personalized something wants to become.
Basically.
Then you can do that for them.
Yeah, you send that to us, and then Dino, our designer, he can take the image and he, fixes them, does whatever, puts whatever you want on them to make them custom, and then you have a really unique product.
Cool,
Great
man.
product. Yeah, it's neat stuff. It is.
How'd you come up with the idea to do this?
I've been in concrete my whole life, and I just thought it would be something cool to do.
All right. Well, we're going to be we're going to hang out for the morning, and we're going to make some concrete. Yeah. Get our hands dirty. We'll meet Dino. Hey, Dino! Yeah, buddy! We'll meet Dino. We'll design something, and we'll show off what they got going on here at Tattooed Concrete in the Falls on Morning Live. Hello! We're mixing things up here this morning at Tattooed Concrete in the Falls, here with Paul, putting me to work, getting my hands dirty.
Yeah, you did a hell of a job.
How are you, Paul?
Oh, very well, Tim. Thank you.
So this is the concrete.
Yep.
Can I take this out?
Yep.
Now, how different is, let's say, this concrete to something that you're putting in a building or any type of stuff?
Mark came up with a proprietary blend, actually.
So there's a secret blend in here?
Yes, so that we can pour it 1 inch thick and still have the strength. Like I said earlier, I literally drove my truck over.
Because these are strong tables.
For 1 inch thick, unbelievable.
Right. Okay, so we got the concrete.
Yep.
We're actually pouring it into a mold because you make, if you missed the first segment, they make these tables, they make these plaques, and we're going to be making a plaque here today. So this is the mold that I'm just pouring this into?
Correct.
Okay. So that goes in there like that.
And just kind of circle around.
All the way around like that.
Yep.
Tell me when.
Yeah, once you have to go to the edge there. A little bit more back that way. Yeah, that should be good. Let's have a look.
Okay.
And just start doing this to it, kind of.
I got a little bit of a leak on the side here. Is that okay?
That's okay.
That's okay.
We'll get it later, yeah. That's fine.
So now, is there different molds for different plaques? Like, can you be making different molds, or are they pretty standard?
We can make square ones, we can make rectangle ones, practically any one.
Up to your preference.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like builders have asked us if we can make them square plaques. Absolutely.
Totally. Okay.
Yep.
Is that all set?
Yeah, you're pretty good there. We'll give it a little trowel after, probably just to smooth that out.
To smooth that
But
out
that's
a
the
little
back
bit.
of the plaque
Right.
anyway. You'll never see that.
But that's something that would go on the back of the plaque too? To
That's
kinda
our
hang that?
hanger. Yep.
Would I put that in there now?
So you would line it up with that line there, and kind of come to the center more.
Oh, right there.
That tilt it down. Push that in. Just push these corners. Yep. That's it. That's how it hangs. And then after when it's done,
That's the finished one here.
yep, you could show it lift it by the hanger if you want.
Because it's a white concrete.
It's white concrete, yeah. That's what makes we're able to print on it. Plus, it's smooth as glass. It's not porous,
Right.
so that's why we can image on it.
So let's just flip around here, Luke, because then you have some of the images that you've printed on here. So any of this, is that actually the concrete that you're seeing?
Yes.
That's not any of the ink all the way around it. It's just not printing in those certain areas.
The white does not print, so that's why we have the white concrete. So that's actually the white concrete that's showing up in the background.
Okay. So these ones are pretty standard that you would see maybe a building complex, right?
This is an order from a customer actually.
Right.
Yep.
But you can really personalize your plaques or your tables. We'll take a break and we'll hook up with Dino here at Tattooed Concretes, and we'll show off what type of images and the quality of images that you need to get something looking like this. Well, it's been a fun morning here in the Falls, hanging out with the lads from Tattooed Concrete. Any KISS fans out there? Crank it, because this is a table that they made for a KISS super fan. I'm here with Dino. Hey, Dino.
How you doing, guys?
Good to see you, pal. So we're kind of showing the design aspect of it, right? So we've made the concrete, we've poured the concrete into our tables, our plaques.
Yeah.
Now it's what we want to be putting on there.
That's right.
And when it's tattooed, it means it's just like a tattoo that you're putting on your skin.
Exactly.
Right onto the concrete.
Yeah.
Okay, so take us through the process, because that is what is on this table.
So what happens is a customer calls me, says he's a super fan, loves KISS. He gives me an idea of what he wants. Then I go around, I get all the graphics ready. This goes into a Photoshop program and design it all and everything. I have to make it high quality because it's going to go on here and super large. You're seeing it here, this size.
Right.
Look what it's coming out to. But then once all the graphics are done, then the magic happens. And this gets coated. It's like UV coated. It lasts forever. It's super shiny. Like this has been in a guy's house now for months.
Has it? Okay.
Right?
Let's show some other examples too, and like just kind of personalize things that people can be doing for their own.
Well, like we did this for
Steve Ludzik.
For
yeah.
Steve Ludzik, one of his managers called me the other day, and he's having a little bit of a hard time.
Yeah.
Needed to pick me up. So he wanted to do a little tribute plaque for him for Ludzik Strong, because he's doing a little campaign right now to raise funds for Parkinson's and whatnot.
Yeah.
So he's feeling a little down. So we made him this plaque, and he absolutely loved it. So see, we took the graphics here. We took the Blackhawks logo, put it in there. They sent me some pictures of him and his beautiful wife, pictures of him and his sons.
Amazing.
Put it all together, and we plaque it.
Shout out to Ledsy if you're watching. Love you, buddy. Stay strong.
Great guy.
Yeah. What else you got here?
Well, we can do also stuff like...
So that's a plaque. So
Yeah.
you're doing pretty much tables and plaques, but all different
Yeah.
shapes and sizes. What about an actual big table? What about those?
Here's something that we do for people. This we put on a table. So someone calls in, they give me their family name. I put their family name right down the middle, their family logo, make it into a table. They come out exactly like this.
Come out like
Beautiful.
this.
Beautiful.
Okay. Do you do full-size tables too, like square-size tables?
Absolutely. Well, that would be, here, watch this. That's the giant KISS table.
Oh. Are you the KISS super fan, Dino?
I love KISS! See this, can't really tell the size here, but this is huge, right?
I like the detail on it, right?
Yeah,
Like, what kind of quality of photos do you need to be sending in here?
Ideally, 300 DPI
Right.
will do it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? See, like this table here, like
How
that.
big a table is that?
That there is like 60 inch by like 25. It's a big coffee table. Huge one.
So you can see the guys at tattooedconcrete.com. They're also up on
here-
Etsy, right? Too. That's another.
Well, that's where
another
you go. You go to Etsy. See, here's an idea for a plaque. This guy
Right.
wanted something for his wife. So we take that, we put that, we take their pictures.
Yeah.
Any camera is good enough quality. You send me that picture.
We saw that one. We saw
Yeah.
that one earlier on. We ran out of time, but we'll take a break.
Yeah.
Bring up the Etsy site if you want to, as we're going
Yeah,
to break
just
here.
as we're going here.
Dino.
Just to show, you'll come to Etsy, you
Yeah.
click on your plaque. You'll come here, you'll put in your text, what you want written on the plaque.
Right.
It comes to me. Bob's
There you
your
go.
uncle.
Dino's
Done.
working the magic. We'll come back with the lads at Tattooed Concrete in the Falls on Morning Live. Well, check out this sweet looking table here at Tattooed Concrete, back with owner Mark. And we've been showing off a lot of the designs that you've been doing that you can put on tables, but you actually do just tables like this as well.
We do, yeah. We do just plain concrete tables. They're indoor or outdoor. Obviously, because they're concrete, they're great for outdoor. You know, they snow on them, rain on them, whatever. They're sealed, so they don't stain.
What about the frame? Do you get to choose the frame? Or how do you get to
Yeah,
choose the
you can
frame?
choose the frame. Yeah, you can customize a frame. You could have it in cedar. You could have it in teak. You could have it in acacia. If you want a metal frame, yeah, it's not that heavy if you lift it for being concrete.
Well, I was going to say,
Again,
for being it's not blown away.
it's not blown away. Never. No,
What's
it's
the
good.
longevity of something like this, Mark?
This will last 100 years. I mean, if you take care of it, probably longer. You know, a couple hundred years.
is
It's going to
there-
outlast you. That's for sure.
Is there some sealing that you need to put over top
Yeah,
of
we
it?
do, yeah. We seal them. The sealer that we have on it, again, it's a proprietary sealer, but it lasts basically forever with the table. And pretty much all you have to do is put a little bit of wax on them. If you're leaving them out in the sun all the time, wax them maybe once every 2 months, and that's it. Your
That's
table's
kind of
there
a cool
forever.
little rough design
That's a
on the
cool
side.
look. Yeah, like we can do smooth, or we can add, we can add anything on the sides.
But then
so-
even little coffee tables like this too. That's,
yeah,
that's all
those are
good in
just,
there?
yeah, that's, again, that's for outside. If you just have, smaller patio area that you want to put something that you don't want to worry about, it's great.
What's in here?
That's, actually, that's a surprise. Hang on one sec, boys. Hey, Tim's wondering what's under the table
What do we
here.
got?
He's kind of curious.
No.
He's kind of
no.
curious, yeah. He's,
Is this with Dean with his shirt off or something like
it
that?
might be. It might be. Yeah. I hope not. I hope
take
it's
it.
not.
What do you got?
I hope
What do
it's
you
not.
got?
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Take her
Let's
off.
go ahead here. There you go. Oh,
Oh man!
there you go. Yeah. Table for you guys. Yeah.
Oh, cool!
Yeah.
Thanks,
Yeah,
guys. That's
good.
awesome.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. So.
That looks great, guys. Cool. Just a nice little side table, right? Just
Little
with our logo on the top from Morning
Yeah.
Live.
Yeah.
That's cool. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks. It's
Oh,
a really,
you're welcome.
really neat,
You're welcome.
unique business that you're not going to see anywhere else. Special offer for anybody watching right now.
Actually, yeah, there is a special offer for the next 48 hours. If you go to our website, tattooedconcrete.com, you type in the go to our Etsy store and type in the promo Morning Live. You'll get a 10% discount on anything that you order.
Anything you order, like a table like this.
Yes.
Right?
Yep. Anything.
Awesome.
Yep.
Cool. Thanks so
Good
much,
stuff.
guys.
Oh, thank
that's
you.
great.
Yeah.
We'll be
We
putting
appreciate
this one,
it.
We'll be putting this one right on the set. So really cool business. Best of luck, everybody. Thanks, guys.
Awesome. Thank you.
Cheers,
Thanks.
guys.
Appreciate
Cheers,
it. Thanks.
man. Right
Thanks.
on. Cool.
All right.
Neat.